I am going to show you how we're going to be doing our template from here on out. I know you made a Google Docs template, and some of you might prefer that. But just for the sake of using a couple specific features that Word has, such as the editor feature, which I'll show you in a second here, as well as the references, table of contents, and whatnot. We're going to be using that instead. So you will need to make use of your DSA OneDrive first and foremost. What I would do is if I have not mentioned this yet, you need to do this in the browser version. Do not use the app version of Word for any of this, or it will be missing features. Okay, so what you need to do then is you need to go here up to New, and then you need to click Folder. And we'll name this folder Senior Project. Okay, and there it is. We're going to click on that and go inside it, and we're going to make a new folder. And this one will be called Scholarly Articles. This might seem a little familiar too. We did something similar in Google Drive. If you want to store your articles and sources in Google Drive, I will do popular sources here. Then that's totally fine, but it might be easiest for you if you just have them all in one place. So I'm going to put those two folders there as well. Now the third thing you need, and obviously the most important, is your capstone template. So I sent a link to you that has a link to this template, and it doesn't let you edit it, but you can save a copy of it. So that's what you need to do, is to save a digital copy, I should say, of this to your OneDrive. Okay. What I would do then is you click on this button after you open this up in Word 365, and click Save As, and you want to do this button right up here at the top, Save a Copy Online. I would highly recommend that you do not download a copy to your computer, or in this case, it would be to your iPad. You should save it online, and it'll be in the cloud. It'll be in your OneDrive, and then as long as you're online, or even offline, it will still save your edits once you go back online. Okay. Let me do one quick thing here. Actually, well, you know what? I'll just show you what that looks like real quick before we go off here. So let's do save a copy online, save to another folder. I'm being a little pokey right now. It's thinking. There we go. So we want to go in here, put in the senior project. And you want to save it in here, and it should open up in a new tab. A couple other quick things we're going to go through regarding this template. One that I want you to do right off the bat, just so it's easier for me to see, like in kind of this stream of endless files that I get shared with me on a day-to-day basis, is go to the very start of this file name and add your name to it. So I'm going to be Kyle Fax. Obviously, you would add your name. Okay, then click enter. It'll change the name of the document right for you there. The other thing I would like you to do is when you open up this editor feature, we're going to be doing this a lot, which is why we're switching over to this template. This is going to help you a lot with all of these different issues, and it will also be a way for you to check for similarity to online sources. So if you forget to cite something, or if there's we get through writing your introduction, and there's something in your introduction not cited properly, etc., then we will be able to use this as a way to see that. And it should be able, it's worked so far when I've used it. It's been able to add the citations actually in. Let's actually see what it found here. So formality. What do we have for formality here? Oh, okay. So it found this is true. You should not be using contractions in this paper. So informal writing, trying spelling out the words it says. So I click on it and it fixes it. I wonder if there's anything else that I found. Nope, that was it. Nope, I don't want to change that one. I think the rest of this is all good. Cool beans. The last thing you need to do then is I need you to go back to files in OneDrive, and I need you to share this folder with me. Okay, so you right click on it, click the three dots, or click this button, I believe, and it's share. And share it with Mrs. Biesterfeld too. Sorry, share it with both of us. So you should be able to type in our names, and there I am, and there's Mrs. B. You would add both of that and send it to us, okay? And you want it to be set to anyone with the link can edit, okay? Because otherwise we won't be able to help edit your senior projects. And full disclosure, I've never done it this way before. It should work exactly the same as Google Drive, where anything inside the folder, Mrs. B and I should be able to edit, in theory. If not, we'll figure something else out, but you'll probably, worst case scenario, just have to share the project itself. Okay? Hopefully that wasn't too overwhelming. We're going to do this today in order for you to get started on the senior project, which will be really exciting. I think that's all I've got. Thanks, and have a great day.